Hi everyone, it's Amy from HTS, and I'm super excited to do this video for you guys today because it's featuring our faux leather that comes in 18 different colors on our website. Each sheet of faux leather is size 8 by 11. In today's video, we're going to be featuring the gold and the silver. I'm going to be doing a layering earring for you. A couple other supplies that I use when working with faux leather is I do use the pink fabric grip Cricut mat. And I get my jump rings and earring backs from Hobby Lobby. So some silver ones here for you guys that I'll be featuring. And then I do have a little bit larger of a jump ring since I'm going to be putting 2 layers of faux leather through there. Also too, I'll be using our Tweety light with the straight edge to poke the hole through the top of the faux leather. And then I have some needle nose pliers here just to help me close the backs, which you'll see in the video. Before I do get started and hit make it on my Cricut design space, I do have my machine here set to custom, and I have clicked on faux leather, and I'm gonna get started for you guys. Assembling the earrings. So you can do a couple different combos here. I made 2 different sets so that I can make 2 different earrings when all said and done. So I'm going to do the silver with the gold. And then for another project, I can do the gold with the silver. So you can kind of see how the different combos go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of line this up here. I'm going to take my Tweety light with the straight edge, and I'm just going to poke a hole not too close to the top, but not too far down. Some people use a thumbtack. I've seen that in a few videos, so that works really well too. But if you do have the Tweety light or you've been looking on the website, these are under our accessory section. And all you want to do is kind of wiggle through to make sure you've got a good hole at the top there, and set that one down. And you're going to do the exact same thing to the other one. Next, you're going to take your jump ring and they are closed, so you're going to want to pull it apart. You can use tweezers. There are fancy jewelry tools that you can buy, but you can use whatever you have at home to kind of, so it gives you an opening there, and you are going to place it through. So you can do one layer at a time. You can go from front to back or back to front. As long as you can get both through the jump ring here. Okay, so you kind of have that, and you can see how they're layering on top of one another. Then before you close it, you can add your earring back here. Make sure that you've got that facing the right way. Kind of push that down. You're going to want to push your jump ring kind of back to the center. You're going to take either your jewelry tool, your pliers, or your tweezers, and you're going to want to close it back together. And just kind of push it until it meets up again. And it's closed. Okay, so we have the first one done, and it's just a little bit bigger of an earring, but I like big earrings, I like big accessories, so there you go. So I'm gonna assemble the next one just like the first one.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.